I'm an idiot. So we had a test and tune yesterday, and just throwing a bunch of timing to it, getting the water methanol dialed in, getting everything figured out that way for Miles of Mayhem. And now I've got nothing but neutrals in the transmission. So I think it's the torque converter. I'm about to put some gauges on it, check pressures, that kind of thing. The oil doesn't look bad, so I'm hopeful, but yeah. It's either the torque converter, the pump, or I don't know, maybe I broke the input shaft, but unlikely. So I got about 4 weeks left, and hopefully I can figure this out and get it all fixed before Miles of Mayhem. Here I've attached a pressure gauge to the diagnostic port in the side of the transmission. As I'm cycling through the gears, you'll notice that the transmission is not making any pressure whatsoever. This and the fact that I didn't hear any breakage when it failed leads me to believe that my issue is either with the pump or the pressure solenoid. I can imagine I look pretty attractive right now, but I got the transmission out. Oh, what a battle. That was absolutely ridiculous. I ended up kind of giving up, trying to get it bolts proper. And I actually cut a hole in my floor to get the top bolt, because it's just not possible. It is not possible. Not without pulling the blower and everything off the engine, and I am not doing that. So transmission's out. Yeah, take it apart tomorrow and see what's wrong with it, see what I blew up. Hopefully get everything fixed, replaced, and back together before Miles of Mayhem. See you tomorrow. So it's a new day. I've got Brad coming down here shortly to help me take the transmission apart, see what's all wrong with it. Then I'll get some parts on order. Hopefully it's nothing too serious, but I don't know. It makes some awful sounds. So who knows. Oil didn't look bad, but I guess we'll see. About to find out. So what do we discover here?
Well, Ryan, we discovered that your pump broke in 3 different places.
I think the technical term for that is
Yeah, well, foobar. Nothing we can't fix, though.
Of course, it scored the housing too.
Yeah.
So.
And actually took a sliver off of one of the vanes here, too, and broke your little spacer.
Time for some upgrades.
Nothing a bit of money can't fix.
Yeah.
Throw a little bit in there.
Solves all the problems. Just throw money at it.
Just throw money at it. All day long.
Yeah. Here's a quick tip for you. Soak the valve body in Varsol for a few days, using air to agitate the fluid. So I got the transmission together, new torque converter, new pump, all the good bits, new tail shaft housing. Just got to put her back in. Got the truck back up and running now. There's only a week left until we head off to Miles of Mayhem. Ended up installing a billet pump rotor in the trans, so hopefully I don't run into this issue again, but for now all's good. Just need to help Chris get his car on the road and we'll be off to the races. We'll see you there.